Gold prices last week breached past 3700 mark. Can we expect gold to breach past 3800 this week? Or the highs are done and the prices are awaited a crash here? What should be our strategy in order to profit trading gold in the coming week? We're going to see here with the help of charts and indicators. This is a weekly forecast. I do share my daily updates on gold. First with the Asia and Europe session, next before the US session, 2 updates a day, which keeps you informed and helps you in taking logical decision. Subscribe, press the bell icon to get the notifications. Do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Towards the end of the update, I'll be sharing the trading levels, so watch till the end. First, if you look at the move, what gold is doing here, if you look at the last few runs, from 2024 levels, since the base it is created, we have seen one rise, a retracement, second rise, a retracement, third rise, a retracement, fourth, a stretched rise, and then a stretched consolidation. Yes, since the breakout, it is now delivering another round of bullish wave here. Interesting thing here is consistently it is delivering higher lows and higher highs. That is first part on the weekly charts. If you look closely, the lows are beautifully aligned, the highs are beautifully aligned here. That is one part. Second is the body size is getting smaller with every move. That's not a so supportive sign for the bulls though. But yes, once it breaks out beyond this channel, which means if you see gold prices trading beyond 3730 mark in the coming week, 3730, 3733 mark. Yes, if gold prices are seen trading above 3730, 3733, I think we are very well ready for 3800 as well. Yes, in 1 week itself, we may see prices moving towards those levels. But first critical zone it has to break is now 3730, 3733 mark. If that is taken, we are ready for another round of rise. Now leaving a wick on the upside, and if it starts flat, starts to rise, possibly this might deliver a stronger bullish candle. But right now what I am focusing on, see these three body sizes is smaller, they are getting smaller. And now also notice a drop below 3630, or rather I will say 3640, 3620 zone. A move below 3640, 3620, and then 3580. If these two levels are taken, 3640, 3620 zone first and 3580 levels the next. If these two zones are taken, then only you can confirm now this is the time for prices to crash. But let's observe further. Yes, the stochastic is back to extremely overbought zone here, and you can see what happens when it gets to overbought zone. Though it can sustain here for a while, but largely I'll say the stronger momentum what we had seen so far might be slightly sluggish. Look at the crossing over here, divergent again, looking upwards. But when you look at the MACD, see this MACD is already at a higher level here. First, second, third, and now it is looking upwards. Does it mean it is going to move and zoom past plus 200 levels? Chances are less. At best it may stretch to double top, but remember double top itself might take multiple weeks, and by the time it might well beyond for 4000 levels. But right now I'm still skeptical and cautious. The opening here is wide bullish, wide open. RSI is also back to overbought zone. Coming to daily chart, on the daily charts also, if you look at the move here, what is the support it has created here, and that is why first 3640, 3620 zone it has to trade below. As long as it stays above 3620, 3630, it is going to be a difficult task for gold to trade bearish, because see what's happening here, it is consolidated, it has formed a very strong base. First rise, then retracement. Now the second rise, first candle has appeared, possibly the second candle might take it towards higher highs, and that is why I say, and see that could also follow with a bigger drop towards 3580, because first rise retracement, second rise might retrace after a couple of candles. This is something you should watch out for. And that is why I say, and now once it trades beyond 36 30 33, that is the time you can say now 37 sorry 37 30 37 33 zone, you can say that now is the time for gold to in fact move towards 37 60 and 37 3800 mark. Else notice the prices are trading with divergence from 20 period and 50 period. We might see a convergence here. Stochastic here looking downwards, which is a slight bearish sign. The moving averages or the MACD, which are trading so far bullish, has converged here, though not yet crossed over. This is important. A crossover is required for further bearishness. Means the first candle in the coming week has to trade in red. So the first candle itself will decide the direction the gold prices are going to take in the coming week. That is something you should watch out for. The RSI was overbought, it has come down. Now again trying to get back into overbought zone. On the 4-hour chart, look at the 4-hour chart. Similar observation. See how strong is the base here. Look at the move. First rise retracement, second rise retracement, third rise retracement. And now since retracing, it is again looking upwards. Possibly higher highs can be expected here. But as I said, till 37.30, 37.33 is not taken, you should be cautious with the buys. It can reverse again. Stochastic back to extremely overbought zone. It follows with a drop. Let's wait for this. But look at MACD. First drop, then retracement. Second drop, it is trying to retrace. And it has lot much of room still available on the upside. The RSI is rising as well. Now let's also have a look at the monthly charts. On the monthly charts, 3 months or 3 candles of consolidation. First breakout candle we have seen last month. The current month, it is delivering bigger body size. And see, since it has created a very strong base now at 3350 levels here, 3300, 3350 zone, it has created a good base. And since then we have seen this breakout. This might spill over for the next month as well. Yes, because it appears that the candle is going to close at the top, and the next month we might see in fact it delivering further bigger bullish candles. However, too early to jump on to that conclusion. Also notice this is an exponential rise. Look at the moving averages. This is an exponential rise here, and it has lot much of bullishness still left. The 5-period moving average right now sitting at around 3400 mark here. Very crucial for gold to trade below 3400, 3300 zone in order to confirm any kind of reversal, any kind of bearishness. Yes, it has to trade below 3400, 3300 mark in order to confirm any kind of bearishness here. Difficult because right now we are sitting at 3700 mark. 10% correction in a single week appears very difficult here. So yes, let's not think of such great bearish momentum as of now. Stochastic back to overbought zone. The MACD is at extremes here, and I think this is not going to sustain much far. At best this month, and in worst case the coming month is going to be the last. That is my prediction for gold for the next few months. The RSI is staying extremely overbought. So considering this now, for the coming week, what you should do? Now first thing is where you should buy. Now before I give you the trading levels, if you're willing to learn this art of trading, do join my mentorship batch. 34th batch started last week. 35th batch is also announced. Be a part of it. Reserve your seats now itself. Reach out to me for queries. My Telegram and email IDs are there in the channel and video description. What you get along with the mentorship batch, you can rejoin any of the next forthcoming batches if you want to revise. You will also get the recordings. You will be also part of our alumni signals channel where you get all the trades and trends. Do not miss this opportunity. Connect with me for queries, else you can be just part of my signals channel on Telegram. We are trading as per the signals you can profit. Connect with me for your queries. Those looking forward to a trusted partner, which offers you SAF-free account, lowest spreads, no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe. You can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now where you should buy? You can buy at 36.90-92 zone and then expect it to trade towards 37.02.04 the first, 37.10, 37.12 the second. If at all gold trades beyond 37.10.12, we will look forward to 37.30 and 37.33 mark here. Yes, 37.30, 37.33 the next target it would like to achieve. And if this is taken, then stay bullish for 37.65 and 3800 mark here. Yes, it might move toward 3800 mark in a quick succession before showing any signs of reversal. While since we know that things are slightly getting overbought here, there is a possibility of a reversal here. For this, now I will recommend you to sell only if you see it staying below 36.74. expect 36.60, 58 as the first target, 36.40 as the next, 36.30 as the next. And then also, even if it trades below 36.30, I will expect 36.20, 3600, and then 3580. A drop below 3580 is a confirmation of further bearishness. If at all it trades below 3580, I will be looking forward to 3550 first and then 3520 second. Appears a difficult task for gold for the coming week. It is not showing any signs of weakness here. But yes, whenever it starts to reverse, it is going to be a stronger reversal. Keep a check on this. Take your trades and trade accordingly. Do join the mentorship batch, join the signals channel, reach out to me for queries, join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Have a great profitable trading week ahead and a happy weekend. Do not miss to watch the twice a day updates, which keeps you informed in order to take a logical decision. Thank you. See you again on Monday with live updates. Thank you.